In this video, we are going to show you how to create forms and landing pages in emails and surveys. Forms are included with a monthly subscription and every customer should use them. You can send the URL to your contacts and register them, and you also can embed the form right in your website so new contacts and leads will be saved to your CRM in emails and surveys. Forms can be multi-page and have content pages if you have a complex form such as a loan application. Now, let's go to create one. Navigate to the My Desktop menu and select My Form Design. Start by clicking the Add icon. Then give your form a name and indicate if you would like to be notified every time a form is submitted with a new contact. Now tell us if you want a traditional one-page form or a multi-page form and content pages. You will see the same editor we use for email, so if you are familiar with it, you should be able to create forms and content pages in emails and surveys. One difference is an email template has a width of 600 pixels and forms will be truly responsive to fit in any space or device. For more information on how to use the editor, please watch the video, How to Use Our Best-in-Class Editor on the Emails and Surveys YouTube channel. Now click the wheel cog or page settings to set page defaults for background, text setting, border, margin, and padding. To create a second page, click the Add Page icon and select if this page will be a new form page or a content page. Content pages will have more options for text and images. To delete a page, just click the Delete icon on the right side for the highlighted page. Great! Now let's look at some of the effects we can put on the form. We also can have different visual effects for how blocks and questions enter the page, if you want them to fly in or read like a newspaper, and you can have some fun with those. Great! Now let's create a common form everyone can use. All forms have a header block, body, and footer block. Let's start by creating our header. Select a header style you like by dragging the preferred header block to your form and setting a logo, title, and description, and change the format to match your brand. We will select one of the images we have previously uploaded to My Drive, where all your images will reside, and set our header. Let's take a look at some of our form inputs for the body of the form, like open-ended text, single answer, matrix, date control, time control, email, phone number, and many more. You will also see some survey inputs if you would like to take a quick survey. At emails and surveys, forms can be surveys and surveys can be forms. Let's select open text for first name and last name. And let's ask for an email address and phone number. You will see we have a form input for phone numbers to help with data accuracy. When you are done collecting your inputs, you can customize your footer with different social media options. Always take this opportunity to attract new followers. When you are happy with your form, you can save it in draft status or publish it. Once a form is published, you will see different options for how to use it. An URL on your website, on this site, or even embed the form on your website with your brand to have seamless updates back to emails and surveys. To see records that have been saved on your form, click the My Forms data and click the pie icon. If you found this tutorial beneficial, please like us and feel free to give us feedback on what we can do better. Follow the emails and surveys social media channels to stay up to date on our product offerings.